So today we'll talk about chapter 15, which is control. By control, we talk about how a manager can control certain things, or how can, for example, employee can serve self-control their aptitudes or even specific aspects of the company. So control is the regulatory process of establishing standards to achieve organizational goals, comparing actual performance to standard, and taking actions when necessary. So the basic control process is to first you have to establish standards. After you measure performance, you compare it to standards, for example, standards of the industry. After you identify where are the deviations, and then you create and deploy corrective programs. And after when you have done that, you can remeasure performance and start the wheel again. So this is why I created a word art graph like this one to better show and demonstrate how the basic control wheel process was going. After the various methods that can be used by managers, I've used numbers to number them. So we have bureaucratic control, objective control, normative control, conservative control, and self-control. So there are five of them, and one of the most important is self-control, which is when managers and employees control their own behavior by setting their own goals. So this is what a company wants to attain, but I understand that it's not all companies that can attain it from the start. And what can be controlled here? I used a bullet points to better identify them so I can remember them better. So we have financial result, customer satisfaction, internal operation, innovation, learning, and waste, for example, in a shop. So these things can be controlled and manage. So here I added a picture of an airplane, and we can see a set of controls, and this is what I think of when I see the word control, and I use it as a memographic device to remember about how many things a company can control. So this is it for chapter 15, and we'll see each other in a last summary for chapter 16.